So in order to prep for building a shed, there's a couple of things that need to happen. First, you need to excavate the area and also stabilize the region that you're eventually going to construct your shed on. So first, excavation is key, and it can be done either with manpower, with shovels, or you can come in with a bobcat to excavate. It really depends on how big the shed is going to be and what type of equipment you have available. Once you've excavated and you've graded the area, you want to make sure that the level or the grade is correct for drainage purposes. And here you can just use a standard level, or if you want to get a little more fancy, you can consider using a laser level that can give you tremendous accuracy very quickly over larger areas. Once you've graded, you want to make sure that you've leveled for drainage purposes. A good rule of thumb is to go for approximately a 1/4 inch drop per foot. That will allow for water to drain away.